magandang hapon sa inyong lahat guys. Ayan, mayroon dito is RS San Roque Supermarket guys sa Phase 10. Ayan guys, okay. Dito kayo guys San Roque Supermarket dito sa may Phase 9 lang to guys. Dating wala to guys, okay. This is a new supermarket here in Caloocan. Phase 9. Ayan, mayroon pang space for less. Baka gusto nyo mong umupa guys. Mayroon pa guys. So, ayan, space for less. Nakita nyo guys. So, ayan. Dito yan guys ha, sa Phase 9. Yes, Phase 9. Wow! Ayan guys. So, yung harap niyan guys, meron din ditong mga soft drinks. Wholesalan din sila ng soft drinks ang harap niyan ng San Roque Supermarket. Okay guys, thank you for watching guys sa aking short videos today. Update lang yan guys sa mga taga Caloocan. Okay guys? Babo, see you guys. Thank you so much for watching my short video.